Mia acts like Lula's Luma sounds house arrest.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, Mia?
I learned a new skill.
What is it? What? I can't understand what you're saying.
I said I was speaking in Luma sounds.
You what? You were speaking in Luma sounds when I told you no? You were speaking just like Lula. Oh my freaking god, Mia. I can't believe you were speaking in Luma sounds. You know you're not supposed to do that because I told you no, and you didn't listen to me. That's it. Your house arrest for 3 weeks. Go upstairs to your freaking room right this damn instant.
Wow.
Stupid technology these days. Oh my god.